What's up, guys? It's me, Trav. Good morning. I'm on my way to work. Basically, it's a pretty chilly day, but not as chilly as yesterday. Yesterday was cold and rainy, and the day later on cleared up. But you know, I'm trying out my new mic that I have on my GoPro. I got a new mod mic, so hopefully it picks up and it blocks out the sound like it, you know, like it described online. But anyways, what's up with everybody? I'm on my way to work. You know, I'm always working. Made that too of a short turn. Oh man, dude about to cross the street when he didn't have the light. Damn, I had to skip my brake. So I tried to like kind of rush job my fixing my brakes on my bike, because my bike the brakes needed to be tightened. But the thing is, cannot rush brakes, especially on an electric bike, because you need all your brakes to stop. So what I had to do is I tightened the back brake or whatever, but what I did is the front brake was kind of getting stuck and kind of like rubbing against the metal, because I have disc brakes. So on electric bikes, you have to have disc brakes. You can't have rubber brakes, because then, you know, it's not gonna stop it like the disc brakes will, because the bike already is going too fast. So with the rubber, you know, you might hurt yourself, or it might break and it won't you know, withstand the stopping power. So to get past this bus. But yeah, so I tried to rush my brakes and wound up having to disable So I wound up having to disable the front brake, because, you know, the front brake, it wasn't tightening like I wanted to. It was tightening, but it wasn't loosening up. So with you know, electric bikes, as I know, is that you have to like kind of sort of calibrate them, and like kind of like squeeze the brake and then tighten these two screws at the bottom and the top. So, you know, usually I take my time with that, but today I thought I could like just rush it. Hey, you know, I know how to tighten brakes. Why not just tighten my brakes, do it real fast before I leave out for work? That failure. You know, I'm not the type of person to rush anything. I don't rush my jobs, because when I rush my jobs, it doesn't get done correctly. So, note to myself, don't try to rush your jobs, especially on your brakes. So, you know, but it's a good day, like I said. A lot of traffic. I'm gonna let you guys see. A lot of traffic down here. Cars double parked and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going down 5th Avenue. This is 5th Avenue. So it's a good day, not too cold, sunny. Thank God it's no rain. That was cold yesterday. Oh man, that was freezing. Take up on the thing before I forget. With electric bike, honestly, you don't want to rush it because with the back brake is where the motor's at. So basically, if you tighten the brake too tight, then where the motor's at, then the bike will be pulling more power from the battery, which will cause your battery to die faster. And your bike wouldn't go as fast as it used to go because it's pulling too much power. So just keep that in mind. Whoever has an electric bike, you know, I know I haven't I haven't even said I had an electric bike. I made it seem like I'm riding a regular bike, but some of you guys caught on that I'm going too fast than a regular bike. But trust me, some of these bikes out here, especially the skinnier bikes, they ride fast. They go fast. They be going faster than me. I'll be going 25. They look like they going 30, 35. Going faster than me, just pedaling. You know? But anyways, also what I want to say is that I hate when people jaywalk with their dogs on a busy street, and then they'll look at you like you supposed to stop when you have the light. And you know, that's not how it works. Whether I'm a car or a bike, you know, it takes time to stop. So no matter what you do, depending on how you time it, if I see you on time, then you know I'ma stop. But if I don't see you on time, then there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do to, like, you know, stop. Yeah, I'll try to skid the bike, but most people would just go straight. I'm not gonna hit you, but you know, most people would just go straight. Like, hey, hope for the best. You know, but me, good thing, thank God I'm like aware about when I ride my bike. I'm aware about my surroundings, and I know when, you know, part of riding a bike too is you got to be aware. You got to think for other people. It's just like driving a car. You got to think for other people because not everybody's gonna think the same. So I could be riding, and then, you know, even on the bike, I could be riding and then somebody just randomly just get in my way, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, okay, alright, ooh, I almost hit you. But so you can tell when somebody's about to get over, or, you know, is staying in their lane and stuff like that. But it's also good to have a horn and a bell. I got a horn because people wasn't hearing me with the bell, little ding ding, you know. People act like they didn't hear me, so basically I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a horn, which is gonna be annoying. I'm just gonna spam it, button spam it, you know, button smash it, like they say in the video game. It's beep 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 beep, just annoy the crap out of you, and that's what I do. I don't give a crap. I'd rather for you to see me and know I'm coming than to not see me and not know I'm coming. So yeah, but anyways, you know, I just don't like when people jaywalk with dogs or, you know, kids. If you want to risk your life and dare yourself, go do it yourself. Don't do it with a pet or a kid. Wait for the light. That's why we got lights and plates. We have these lights in place where, sorry, I had to get over. So we have these lights in place where it's programmed to let you know where to go and let you know when to stop. So red means stop, green means go. Oh, what the freak, man? Freaking dummy. Freaking yellow cab. Oh my god, man. These yellow cabs are the worst. And it wasn't even his blind spot, bro. It was his left side. How you not see me? How you not yield and see me? You just get over on willy-nilly. I don't care if you have a pair. Look up, and that's another thing. Damn. That's another thing. These yellow cabs, these taxi drivers, some of these people out here do not watch out for bikers or scooters. People in general do not watch out for bikers or scooters. And that shit pisses me off. nearly about to sideswipe me just to make a turn in which you gotta look before you turn. And I wasn't even on his blind side, man. So this dude did not even look. You know how many times people open the door? And that's another thing too. Running close to cars, I don't do that. It's been a couple of times. I've almost got rammed into a door because somebody, you know, wanna not be considerate about other people that's riding by with a scooter or a bike, and I almost rammed into it. And then if I ram into it, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, because my bike or my freaking arm is broken because I rammed into your door. So, people need to be more aware. I'm saying, like, this is ridiculous. This is so freaking ridiculous. It's a shame how we have lack of awareness up in here, out here. Jeez, man. I say, thank God I got brakes, man. Oh my God. And you know, things happen for a reason. Cause my brakes were weak this morning and yesterday too. And I decided to rush it and then leave the back brake on. And then what happened? The cab almost hit me and I almost rammed into him. And thank God I have my brakes good, because my brakes slid and my tires slid, which I don't like to skid my tires, and that pisses me off too. Shoot, skidding my tires, man. I do not skid my tires unless I have to. And that's when I had to skid my tires. I had to do that. Yep, but with all said, you know, I'm about to arrive to work. But with all said, thank you for watching, and also please like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll post my YouTube at the bottom, and you guys can just follow, type in the link, and then, you know, it will zap you to my page, and you can just subscribe there. And you can tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. So remember, the link is going to be at the bottom, alright? Alrighty. Deuces.